is up mga ka-texture? So for today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here Oppo A17K. And as you can see here, the LCD is broken, the frame is bended. Somebody got mad because Celos and decided to smash the phone. At lang mga ka-tech shop eh. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone mga ka-tech shop. So let's remove the SIM card tray and remove the back cover by prying it. Alright, so I ordered a new frame and a new LCD for this model. So once you remove the back cover, don't separate it yet from the phone. There's not a flex cable for fingerprint. So we need to remove this cover at the top. So remove all the screws and then remove that cover. That's the time you can remove the fingerprint flex cable. Now we have access to the LCD flex cable, battery, and the motherboard. So let's remove the main board and remove all the screws at the bottom. Now we can remove the audio and the charging board. Then we'll remove the battery. So we'll be transferring all the parts to the new frame. That's basically it. But you'll have to be very careful when performing the transfer. Let's remove this plastic that protects the flex cables. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe mga Tech Chef. And if you're interested in the tools that I've been using, don't forget to check the links in the description. Let's go! Alright, I'm putting thermal paste on the new frame. And remove all the plastics on this new frame. And then we'll transfer this power button, volume and volume up and down button to the new frame. Alright. Just be very careful, we don't want to damage this flex cable. And just apply a small amount of glue so that it's gonna hold this flex cable for the power, volume, up and down. Let's remove this plastic and put the main board to the new frame. And then attach the LCD flex cable and the charging cable. So this flex cable is connected from the charging board going to the main board or the motherboard. You have to be careful with removing and attaching it to the frame. Then let's transfer the vibrator. Then attach this flex cable to the main board. And the wire for the signal. And then just protect plastic to protect the flex cables. Let's put it on the new frame. Then the battery. Let's just add small amount of glue so that it's gonna hold the battery. Then before we put on the screws, let's test it first just to make sure everything is working. Like the touch, the power button, volume button. And then if everything is working, then we can assemble the phone. Alright, that's it. As you can see, it's now straight because we've replaced the frame and LCD is working. There's a display. So if you're interested in this video mga katikshop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because we'll be posting more videos about cell phone repairs and you're gonna learn a lot from this channel. Let's go!